If you're seeing OneDrive error code 36, don't worry, you're not alone. And in most cases, this is a sync issue you can fix quickly. This error usually shows up when OneDrive is trying to sync a folder that has too many files or items, or when the sync process gets stuck for a moment. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple fixes step by step, so you can get OneDrive working again without wasting time. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. First, open the affected OneDrive folder and take a look at what's inside. If the folder has a very large number of files, OneDrive may struggle to sync everything at once. One of the easiest fixes is to create a new folder inside that location and move some files into it. This helps reduce the load on the original folder and gives OneDrive a better chance to finish syncing properly. After you move the files, give OneDrive a little time to update. Don't rush this part, because the app may need a minute or two to catch up. Once the sync finishes, check whether the error code 36 is gone. If it is, then the issue is likely caused by too many items in one place. If the problem is still there, the next thing to try is moving some files out of OneDrive entirely. Open the same folder again and look for files that do not need to be synced to the cloud. These could be temporary files, duplicates, or anything you don't need available through OneDrive. Move those files to a regular folder on your computer that is not inside your OneDrive directory. This can help lighten the sync workload and remove the conflict that's triggering the error. Once again, wait for OneDrive to resync and see whether the error disappears. If you still see the issue, the next fix is to pause and resume syncing. Click the OneDrive cloud icon in your system tray, then select the gear icon to open the settings menu. From there, choose pause syncing and let it sit for about 1 minute. This gives OneDrive a chance to reset the current sync session. After a minute, go back and click resume syncing. This simple refresh often clears temporary syncing glitches and can fix error code 36 without any deeper troubleshooting. If that doesn't work, try restarting OneDrive completely. Right-click the OneDrive cloud icon again and choose Quit OneDrive. Then, open the Start menu, search for OneDrive, and launch it again. Restarting the app can clear small background issues and reconnect it to your files more cleanly. After it opens, check whether the sync error is resolved. In many cases, one of these steps will fix the problem right away. The key is to reduce the number of items OneDrive is trying to handle, refresh the sync, and restart the app if needed. So if OneDrive error code 36 was stopping your files from syncing, try these fixes in order and you should be back on track. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and I'll see you in the next one.